So over here you can see that Claude looks a certain way, and if you want to go ahead and change the appearance of Claude, or maybe change it into dark mode or change the chat font, then what you can do is you can go around over here, and then what you need to do is go around over here into settings. And once you do that, what happens is that you can go around over here onto general, and under the preferences you can see appearance. So you can go ahead and choose, let's say for example, light mode. Right now the system default is being used, so my system has light setup, so you can see that there's the system, but you can go around over here and then you can go for dark setup as well. Apart from that, you got the chat font, which is anthropic serif right now, that you can go ahead and change it out into system format as you want, or you can go ahead and choose another format as you want as well. And accordingly, what happens is that the font gets changed out as well. So this is basically how you can go ahead and, let's say for example, work around with the font, and you can even change around the voice settings as you want right here, just like this, and the font gets changed out accordingly. So that is basically how you can go ahead and then work around with Claude appearance and chat font inside of Claude AI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe